Early detection of bedbugs dramatically improves control outcomes and lets do-it-yourselfers act before infestations spread. Start by placing passive interceptor traps under each bed and furniture leg to catch crawling insects and to monitor activity nightly. Choose ceramic or plastic cup-style interceptors with smooth outer walls and rough inner surfaces so bedbugs can climb in but cannot climb out. For active detection, use carbon dioxide attractant devices or portable heat lures that simulate human breathing and warmth. Operate them for at least 4 hours in the evening when bedbugs are most active and position them near sleeping areas and along suspected harborages. Combine electronic sticky monitors with a nightly visual inspection using a strong flashlight and a thin probe or credit card to check seams, tufts, and crevices of mattresses and box springs. Look for live bugs, shed skins, or tiny dark fecal spots that are telltale signs. If you suspect low-level activity but cannot find evidence, rotate trap locations every 3 nights to increase coverage and leave at least 2 weeks of monitoring to account for variable feeding cycles. When using canine-style sniffing services as a confirmatory measure, understand that dogs detect live bedbugs and eggs by scent but can be influenced by environmental factors, so use them alongside traps and inspections, not instead of them. Keep records of detections by date and location, photograph any findings, and use that data to target treatments or to decide when to contact a professional for escalation. Homeowners commonly misplace interceptors, leaving them on uneven surfaces that allow bedbugs to bypass the trap, so always level the furniture leg and ensure the trap sits flush with the floor. Use a small shim under the furniture leg if needed. Another common issue is relying solely on passive traps when active monitors are needed for low-density populations, so deploy a carbon dioxide or heat attractant if visual signs are scarce and suspicion remains high. People sometimes discard signs as false positives, mistaking other insects or debris for bedbug evidence, so confirm suspicious findings by comparing specimens to authoritative images or by consulting community discussion threads before taking drastic measures. We operate bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work related to pest detection and remediation. Our site also hosts a discussion community where DIYers and professionals share tips, monitor results, and troubleshooting advice.